Hello everyone, dear students. Today we are going to discuss topic named as division of decimals. Dear students, most of the time most of the students are confused, but today we are going to discuss this topic so that we can identify the difference between the different concepts of division in case of decimals. Dear students, the first concept that I have noted here, division of a decimal by a whole number. It means first case is there in which we have to divide a decimal number by a whole number. How we have to divide it? See carefully. I have taken one example here. 234.5, this is a decimal number, and I have to divide this with 1000, that is a whole number. Okay, now dear students, firstly I can note down this like this: 234.5, because I want to divide it with 1000. I have noted. Now this is the first step. Now in second step, what we have to do, dear student, we have to convert this decimal number into decimal fraction, and we know very well how we can convert. Firstly, write the upper number, which is decimal, write that, but this number without decimal, as 2345. Obviously, dear students, you know, whenever you remove the decimal point of this number, this decimal point is located at second place. It means downward of this number we have to put 1 at second place and 1 0 at ones place. We have to use like this: 1 2. Now dear students, we have observed in the statement already we have to divide this decimal number with 1000. 1000 I am writing as it is. Now what we have to do, upper number write same as 2345. now you know very well, when you multiply 10 with 1000, you will get 10,000. Dear students, because you want to divide a decimal number with a whole number, obviously the answer will be happen in the form of a decimal. Okay, it may happen. Now it means finally we have to convert the result in the form of decimal. For this purpose we have to use the concept how to convert decimal fraction into decimal form. For this purpose we have to check the location and the place of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 1 is located at 5th place. Now we have to write the upper number as it is, 2345. From the back side, start the counting and try to put the decimal point at 5th place. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 means our answer is 0.2345. Dear students, I hope you have cleared the first concept. Now see the second one, division of a decimal by another decimal. Now this is the second concept, dear students. Now we have to divide a decimal number with another decimal. How it will happen? See carefully. First step as it is, which we have performed in the first part, 289.6, because we want to divide it with 1.6. Now dear students, convert the decimal numbers into decimal fractions. Okay, firstly upper number, write the upper number without decimal point. It means 2896. 2896. You know, whenever you remove the decimal point of it, what we have to write downward of this number? 10, because 1 2 at second place a decimal point located, that's why we have to place 10 downward. Now dear students, its denominator is 1.6. it means 1.6 is that number. We have to convert into the decimal fraction form. Obviously this number is located downward. It means whenever you want to try the decimal number into decimal fraction, okay, we have to write 10, but this 10 we have to write upside. Okay, 1 2 at second place we have to put 1, and at one's place we have to use a 0. Now 10 is cancelled with 10. Now we have to go in rough work and try to divide 2896 with 16. Okay students, obviously it was on 1, 16 1 then 16. When you subtract 6 from 8, you will get 2, and when you subtract 1 from 2, you will get 1. 9 comes down. Okay, now we have to check. Just go in rough. 16 multiplied between 6 6 is 36, 3 is carry, 6 1 is 6 and 3 9. Check on the next number. 7 7 6 is 42, 4 is carry. Okay, 7 1 is 7 and 4 11, 112. Check on 8 8 6 is 48, 4 8 1 is 8 and 4 12, 128. It means here it happened 16 8 is 128. Now dear students, when you subtract 8 from 9, you will get 1. 6 come down and 16 1 then 16. It means here we are getting in the quotient 181. It means when you try to divide 2896 with 16, you can write 181 as a quotient. It means what is the answer? That we are getting here 181. Now I hope dear students you have got the second skill also, that how we can divide a decimal number by another number. Now dear students, the last concept we are going to discuss. First I am going to erase this portion so that we can write the next portion. The next skill is part number 3. Part number 3 that we are going to discuss now. How to divide a whole number. It means division of a whole number by a decimal number. Okay, what is the next concept? Division of a whole number by a decimal. It means now we have to divide a whole number with decimal. For this purpose I am going to take one example. 1089 we have to divide with 4.5. Dear student, first step same that we have already got in part number first and second. Okay, 1089 we have to divide it with 4.5. Obviously we know in next step what we have to do. We have to convert this decimal into decimal fraction. Okay, it means 1089. Write this decimal number with a decimal point. Obviously we have to write 10 on the downside of 45 whenever we try to remove the decimal point of 4.5, but this 4.5 is located downward. It means in the form of denominator. That's why we have to write 10 on upside like this way. Obviously students, now what we have to do, just when we multiply 1089 with 10, what we shall get? 10890 means 10,890. Downward 45 is there. Now dear students, you may cancel these two numbers at the table of 5 because ending digit, ones place digit of both numbers here 0 and here 5, and we know very well if the ones place digit of any number is 0 or 5, that number exactly divisible by 5, or you may directly divide 10,890 by 45. I am going to divide directly it. See here, 10,890. I am going to divide this number with 45. Firstly, we have to check. Okay, 45, 3 5s are 15, 1, 3 4 12, 1 13, greater, not. It means we have to decrease the number. Check on 2, obviously we shall get 90. Okay, firstly version 2, 45 to the 90. Okay, subtract 0 from 8, when you subtract 9 from 10, you will get 1, 9 comes down. Okay, now see, 45 multiply with 4, 4 5s are 22, 4 4 is 16 plus 2, 18, 180. It means that 45 4s are 180. When you subtract 0 from 9, you will get 0, 0 comes down. Okay, 45 to the 90, we know. Okay students, in the rough we have performed. Okay, it means when you divide 10,890 with 45, you will get 242, and final answer is 242. Dear student, I hope you have clear today's concept, that is division of decimals. I hope now you are able to differentiate these three concepts in form of division of decimals. Thanks for watching.